Hello, how's everyone doing today? Welcome back to a new video. I'm Real Deal Wealth. You better know me as Daniel on this channel. And today we're going to be talking about a nice looking stock that got a major sell-off that I feel like is an amazing opportunity for you long-term investors to jump in. I'm not a financial advisor, so what I do on my account is what I do with my money. Do your own research before you buy into these companies. And finally, go ahead, follow my Instagram in the description, and also check out my Robinhood link if you want to get into investing as well. Let's take a look at my profile today. So today we were down a lot. I was down up to almost 9% at one point, but I was chilling, honestly. I'm not really worried about this drop off in my account because the companies that I'm invested in are great companies. You can see them on the side. You know, I got GIX, Open Door, BFT, Neo, Lee, Fuel Cell. I mean, just keep going down the list. These are all amazing companies that I'm holding for the long term. I do have some riskier ones like ZOM, but it's had some great return for me, almost 100%. And if I look at the day as a whole, it was actually a pretty good day, being down almost 9%, and then I jump back up to only down 1.81%, and then I'm up almost 0.5% in the after hours. So even with the huge sell-off, I'm still doing amazing, and this is very encouraging for an investor like me. And if you are invested in good companies as well, you're going to be okay on these red days because you know you're not invested in the hype. But let's get to what we are here for in this video, which is Palantir, and talk about this company and what some people are saying about it. And we do have a price target from Goldman Sachs. So if we go over here to the Market Insider, we can see that Palantir is upgraded to a buy with a fresh $34 price target from Goldman Sachs after revealing sustainable growth in the latest earnings. So Palantir posted a surprise loss in its fiscal fourth quarter earnings on Tuesday, causing the stock to fall. But this thing, guys, was at a $45 high just this month, and it dropped all the way down to, I think, $27 today. And Goldman Sachs saw this, and they gave it that 34 price target anyways. And they gave it that buy rating, which they missed their earnings by 10 cents on their EPS, and it was a -8, and they thought it was going to be a positive 0.2, but it's okay. They're encouraged to see management guide to $4 billion of revenue in the fiscal year of 2025. That's a lot of money. And like I always say in all my videos, when they make money, we make money. So take that as a note right there. Also, we can see that they have 30% 5-year compound annual growth rate for the fiscal year of 2020. Pretty good. And we can go into these other articles as well that it talks about buying the dip on Palantir, and I definitely agree. Here again, it shows that Palantir is expecting 30% year-over-year growth after posting 47% growth for 2020. It continues to grow its client base across multiple industries, and Palantir's lockup period ends on February 19th. So place your bets, as it says. So people are all around saying buy this stock. There was so many articles to choose from, and they're all pretty much saying the same thing, that Palantir is an amazing buy, and it's a long-term hold. You can hold this one for 5 years, and who knows how much of a return you can get. This stock has so much potential. We're going to see this thing on the moon in the next few years. And I really think that you all should look into this company. I did have it on my radar back when it was $16, $15, something like that. And I bought a little, but I was kind of a noob with it, and I sold it off. But now I put myself back into a position. I bought Palantir today. I'm going to buy more tomorrow. I might buy more the next day, because this company is going to take off in the short term. You know, it's going to raise back up, definitely. But for the long term, it's something that I'm just going to let chill and build me wealth, because at the end of the day, that's how you're going to make the big money in the stock market. You can't just go out there and gamble all your money and do these short squeezes all the time, because you are going to lose. But if you invest in good companies that are a safe bet, that are going to get you a lot of return, then you're going to be wealthy at the end of the day. And that's what we want. That's what I'm promoting on this channel. Not going out there and buying the hype stocks, really. You can do those if you have a little bit of extra money and make those plays. But the companies that I'm bringing you are great for the future. And I really hope you're listening to what I say. So the last article we're gonna look at, it comes from Barron's. This is a good little, I would call it like a journalism type of site, because they do magazines and stuff. I don't know. Anyways, they say Palantir is a buy. Palantir is a sell. Why this street is split? But we all know it's a buy, okay? You said, you can choose your own adventure when it comes to Palantir Technologies, which is recovering modestly from the stock's post-earnings sell-off, and a weird development that vividly demonstrates just how split Wall Street is on the prospects of the data analytics company. The stock on the same day was upgraded to a buy from one firm and cut to underperform by another. Here's the context. On Tuesday, Palantir posted revenue of $322 million for the quarter, up 40% from a year ago, and well ahead of the street consensus at $300.7 million. All right, everyone, so pretty much you can see it here. Palantir is a buy at the end of the day, and I cannot tell you anything else but to play your cards right on this one and always buy the dip. Whenever you buy in the red, you're gonna make money because it's gonna go into the green, okay? All right, everyone, so you've made it to the end of the video. Thank you all for watching. Palantir is a great buy at the end of the day. I do recommend going out and taking a look at this stock. We see that it's going to have $4 billion in revenue by 2025, and it continues to grow at a great rate. Their compound annual growth rate is not 47% like it was in the past, but it's still 30%, and that's very impressive. Their earnings were down, but Goldman Sachs did promote it to a buy and has it at a $34 price target. Take it for what you want, but this is an opportunity for me to get in and to make some money and to also hold this thing for the future. So go out, do what you want, but this has been your boy Real Deal Wealth. You better know me as Daniel on this channel. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.